Hey coders, choosing the right text editor can make or break your workflow. Today we're diving into Sublime Text, Atom, and Visual Studio Code. These are three heavyweights in code editing. We'll explain each one, compare them, and help you pick the best one for your needs. Let's go. First, Sublime Text. It's a lightweight, blazing fast editor built with C++ and Python. Known for its sleek UI, Minimap for code navigation, and GoToAnything for quick file jumps. It's highly customizable with a Python-based plugin API. But it's not free. $99 for a license after a trial. Best for speed-focused coders who love simplicity. Next, we have Atom. Developed by GitHub, it's a free open-source editor built on Electron. It's super customizable, think plugins for everything, plus built-in Git integration. But it's heavier on resources and slower than others. Note, GitHub discontinued Atom in 2022, so updates are limited. Great for tinkerers, by the way, who love open-source flexibility. Finally, we have Visual Studio Code from Microsoft. This is also free and open source, built on Electron, but optimized for speed. It's packed with features like IntelliSense for smart code completion, built-in Git, debugging, and massive extension marketplaces. It's like an IDE in a text editor's body, perfect for developers wanting power out of the box. So, how do they stack up? Here's a breakdown. Sublime Text is your go-to for speed and minimalism, ideal for quick config edits or small projects. Atom's great for customization lovers, but its discontinuation and sluggishness are deal breakers. Vscode, it's the all-rounder, fast, feature-rich, and actively supported, making it best for most developers, especially for large projects or IDE-like needs. Pick Sublime for speed, Atom for open-source tinkering, or Vscode for power and versatility. What's your favorite? Drop it in the comments, like, subscribe, and code on.